Tyler Melito joins us in studio now with how the city makes sure we don't experience serious flooding here.
This is a map of all the current projects the city is working on for their sanitary and stormwater sewer system. $600 million worth in total. They are either under construction or recently completed. And these projects include several sewer widening projects, which will allow for better water flow and less backups when it rains. Notably, projects along Green Tree Road near Leestown and along North Limestone, to name a few. We'll have a full map on fox56news.com later this morning. But for almost 2 decades, the city and its water quality department have focused on eliminating issues when it rains. The goal, obviously, no flooding. They say it's all about diligence. There's the construction projects that will widen our stormwater sewage systems, and that is not the same as our sanitary water sewer system. The city says the stormwater is discharged right into creeks and streams along with the litter and pollutants that are picked up along the way. The water quality department says it knows construction can be frustrating, but some construction is a heck of a lot better than flooded streets every time it rains.
You know, it's like the old thing about, you got to break eggs to make souffle, right? So yeah, there's a little bit of pain involved while it's going on, but the end is what you're looking for. It goes back to just being diligent about paying attention to what's going on.
The city says there are a number of ways that you can help prevent the streets of Lexington getting flooded and looking like this. Fortunately, this is not in Lexington, but I'll break down those things in the next hour. For now, though, for Fox 56 News, I'm Tyler Melito.